Oura Ring 4 Ceramic, Ultimate Sleep and Recovery Breakthrough.
What if the reason I wake up exhausted is not just stress or bad luck, but data my body has been screaming that I have never been able to hear? Most wearables shout at me with buzzing screens and half-baked guesses. The Oura Ring 4 Ceramic in Cloud does not shout, it whispers the truth in stunning detail, revealing sleep stages, recovery gaps, and early illness signals with research-grade precision, all while looking like minimalist jewelry. One ring, zero distractions, life-changing clarity.
I imagine those afternoons where I am dragging, wondering why my workouts feel harder than they should, why my mood swings, and why illnesses always seem to catch me off guard. I have tried watches that die midday, chest straps that feel like punishment, and apps that guilt-trip me with red notifications. Nothing sticks because nothing disappears. The Oura Ring 4 Ceramic in Cloud changes the game by vanishing on my finger. 3.9 grams of all titanium and scratch-proof ceramic that people compliment as beautiful jewelry, not another gadget. It silently gathers over 50 biometric signals 24/7, including heart rate variability, resting heart rate, body temperature deviations, blood oxygen, stress patterns, and even fertile windows. While I live my life, meetings, dates, workouts, travel, it builds the most accurate picture of my actual health ever available in consumer technology, then translates it into 3 simple morning scores that tell me exactly how hard I can push today, or when to rest before I crash.
The Oura Ring 4 Ceramic Cloud is not just prettier, it is meaningfully better than Generation 3 and every wrist wearable I have tried. New multi-pathway optical sensors and research-grade temperature arrays deliver 95% plus correlation to clinical devices for heart rate variability and overnight blood oxygen saturation. Up to 8 days of battery means I charge roughly once a week on a beautiful magnetic puck that travels smaller than AirPods. No screens, no vibrations, no glowing distractions in bed, just pure data flowing to an app that feels like a private health coach. The Readiness Score has become legendary among professional athletes and chief executive officers because it finally answers the question, can I train hard today, with brutal accuracy, preventing burnout and overtraining injuries. Women rave about period prediction that is often more accurate than dedicated apps. Early illness detection gives me a 24 to 48-hour warning via temperature trends. Unlike Apple Watch or Whoop that force me to charge daily and scream for attention, Oura disappears into my life and quietly makes me superhuman, sleeping deeper, recovering faster, performing at my actual peak while wearing something that gets compliments at black tie events.
Clinicians, researchers, and professional sports teams trust Oura because the data holds up in published studies. A Stanford-trained physician reviewer said the Generation 4 temperature accuracy is clinical adjacent. A biohacker who has tested every wearable for 6 years calls it non-negotiable, the only device I have worn consistently for over a year. Verified purchasers report it detected they were getting sick a full day before symptoms. The Readiness Score stopped overtraining and finally fixed chronic fatigue, and the Cloud Ceramic still looks brand new after daily gym abuse. From Fortune 500 executives to new moms tracking cycles, the same refrain comes up again and again. It does not just track, it changes behavior because the insights are so undeniably accurate. 2-year warranty, health savings account, and flexible spending account eligible, and the sizing kit program guarantees a perfect fit or an easy exchange.
My Oura Ring 4 Ceramic is waiting, but only if it truly fits. I order the free sizing kit right now. It takes 2 minutes, and I wear the size 8 tester for 24 hours. If it is perfect, my actual ring ships immediately with the first month of membership free.
$5.99 a month after, or $69.99 per year. This is the last sleep and recovery tool I will ever need, disguised as the most beautiful ring I will ever own. I click below to claim my sizing kit and lock in current pricing. Thousands already discovered what optimized actually feels like. I do not guess my health another day. I size before I buy. I start winning my mornings.